So till now we have discussed various kinds of two-port parameters. Why do we need so many parameters, right? So we will see where each of the parameters are most prominently used. So the impedance parameters are specifically used for fault analysis in power systems. Okay. Then what about admittance parameters or the Y parameters? This is used for load flow analysis. And transmission parameters also we use in power systems. Where is it used? In transmission. Okay. Then what about the hybrid parameters? H as well as G, hybrid as well as inverse hybrid parameters. So they are used in representing the transistors. Okay. Equivalent circuit of transistors are represented by means of the hybrid parameters. So these three are related to power systems and this will be related to electronics. Now each of the parameters, they can be related to each other, at least some of the parameters. So we will see some of the basic relations. Okay. So the admittance parameter is equal to the inverse of the impedance parameter. So we are talking about the matrix forms here, right? How we represent the admittance matrix? This is represented as Y11, Y12, Y21 and Y22. Similarly, Z you can write as what? Z11, Z12, Z21 and Z22, right? So this is the matrix form that I am talking about. If you invert this, if you find the inverse of this matrix, it will be equal to the admittance matrix. Similarly, if you take the inverse of the admittance matrix, this will be giving you the impedance matrix, right? Next, similarly the H and G parameters. Inverse hybrid parameters is nothing but the inverse of the H parameters. But the same is not true for the transmission parameters. This is not equal to the inverse of the transmission matrix. Okay, so this point is important.